Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. A few more hours sleep would be just wonderful. Fizzy is a good alarm clock, but she has ulterior motives. She wants to be fed. Yes. Okay, enough about my fur baby. Last night, the culinary expedition was in Romania, where I prepared Romanian stewed cabbage. Now, I have done a lot of cabbage dishes in the past, over the last few years. This is good. It's simple and it's filling, and I'm glad I served it over egg noodles. You could serve this as a side dish. I'm surprised. It's, how baby spinach, it goes, basically when you cook it. Cabbage kind of does the same thing. I used a half head of cabbage. Ate it all. Oops. I got a big appetite. The recipe will be up. Enjoy it. Kind of have fun with it. Today is Sunday, so it's date night, Sunday dinner with Robin tonight. And to top it off, the meal is comfort food. Good old American comfort food. First thing I'll be preparing today is my pea salad, which is going to be really nice on this hot day. And the second item is my sloppy joes. I grew up on sloppy joes. I think a lot of people did. It was a good, simple, quick meal for mom to cook, when my generation grew up. Yeah. So let's get to it. Real simple. I use bread because that's what I grew up on. This is a buttermilk. I'm switching it up. I'm going to be using ground turkey. This is an 80-20. A little bit of oil. The base for the sauce is Heinz ketchup. I only use Heinz. Lee and Perrins Worcestershire sauce. Garlic. I'll dice up about half of this red bell pepper and about half of this red onion. The other half will go into the pea salad. Also in the sauce is ground mustard, Mexican cumin, smoked paprika, and I decided out of all of my hot chili powders to go with the Kashmiri Mirch. And of course, a little bit of kosher salt and black pepper. For the pea salad, frozen peas, bacon, sharp cheddar cheese, Miracle Whip, and mayo. They always work really well together. And just a few tablespoons of dried Mexican oregano. Comfort food at its finest. Yeah. Looking forward to this. Looking forward to seeing my wife. All right. Big news. I had a very successful test of a live broadcast into the group yesterday. So I need you to put your thinking caps on what you would like to see me prepare live in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Within reason. This is not a 3-ingredient challenge. This is me cooking for you to see how I do it. All right. So on this Sunday, stay hydrated, stay cool, stay indoors if you can in the AC. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.